You sent the proposal yesterday. Nothing back yet. Did they even open it? With Gmail, you have no way of knowing. And that silence gets expensive. Follow up too soon, you look pushy. Wait too long, and the deal goes quiet forever. Because here's the truth. Gmail gives you no read status at all. No delivered, no seen, no ticks. Nothing happens after you hit send. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how I get read receipts inside Gmail, with ticks like a messaging app. And at the end, I'll explain exactly how the tracking works, so you know what you're installing. The tool is Command K. It's a Chrome extension I built that upgrades the Gmail you already use. Install it from the Chrome Web Store, sign in with Google, and you're ready. Here's a fresh email. See those 2 ticks sitting right next to send? That's the read receipt toggle. 1 click and this email is tracked. Send it off. In your sent folder, the email now carries a single gray tick. That means delivered. And the moment they open it, double blue tick. You'll see it in the sent folder and right in your inbox list when the thread is sitting there. You can also get desktop notifications. The first open, a reopen the next day, even when someone digs up an email you sent a week ago. And my favorite part, if an email stays unopened for 3 days, Command K tells you that as well, so you know exactly when a follow-up is worth sending. Want the full picture? Your sent folder gets a 2-tick button in the toolbar. Click it, and every tracked email shows up in one clean list. One more thing. If you'd rather track everything automatically, open Command K settings, head to read receipts, and turn on tracking by default. Set it once and stop thinking about it. Now the part most tools skip. How does this work? A tiny invisible image travels with your email. When their mail app loads that image, that's the open. It's the same technique every newsletter has used for decades. And on privacy. Command K runs inside Gmail and nowhere else. It cannot see your other tabs, your files, or anything beyond your inbox. That's read receipts. No guessing, no awkward double emails. And if you want the full tour, split inbox, snippets, follow-up reminders, there's a complete guide right here on the channel. Command K, everything Gmail should have had. It's free to try for 2 weeks. The link is right below.